Welcome. If you're looking to stop those content recommendation notifications from popping up on your Roblox mobile app, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner experience or just fewer distractions, this quick and updated guide will walk you through every step to disable those alerts for good. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is labeled as More. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your Roblox preferences, including notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it to continue. Here, you'll see all the different types of notifications Roblox can send you, from friend requests to updates and more. For our purpose today, we're focusing on mobile push notifications. So, tap on Mobile Push Notifications. This will bring up a list of all the notification types that can be sent directly to your device. Now find the toggle switch next to Content Recommendations. This is the setting that controls those suggestions and pop-ups about games or experiences Roblox thinks you might like. To stop receiving these, simply toggle this switch off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled content recommendation notifications on your Roblox mobile app. From now on, you won't get those extra alerts, letting you enjoy Roblox your way, distraction-free. If you ever want to adjust your notifications again, just revisit these steps. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your personalized Roblox experience.